What's up, Tech Nation? All right, today we are going to be looking at the famous ring light that everybody sees on Instagram. Yep, that's right. I went and bought one, and we're going to check it out and see how bright it gets and see how it records and see how it looks on the other end of the camera, okay? All right, first thing I noticed is that tripod they send with the ring light is not a tripod you ever want to use in your life. I'm using it today, but it's super flimsy and it causes and it's just, we've adjusted it and moved things around and it just doesn't want to work. The legs are very weak, so it barely holds up the ring light. So I would swap out the tripod, get a real tripod, or get a tabletop that like I'm using right now that's more sturdy, more structured. So my phone camera is now recording through the center of the ring light. You can't see it, but it is. The lens is going right through the center, and if it was done correctly, the ring light never shows. So here's daylight, there's tungsten, and there's your tungsten daylight mix. Back to daylight. I like daylight personally. Let's see if it has now power levels. Yeah, you can decrease the lighting or you can increase the lighting, which I like the lighting all the way up so that when I'm talking, I can be seen clearly, all right? So there you go. So the ring light works. You can see how it affects my face and when I'm speaking, and if it helps at all. Is it giving me red eye? I have no idea. But the little controller is right on the cable that plugs in. It has a USB connector, so you can attach it to your computer. Okay, so it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $70, but I would invest in another $20. I'm gonna go get at Walmart one of those tabletop tripods, and this will be permanently on a tripod. It'll stay like this, so every time I'm talking to you on every Tech Time or any other video that I'm doing for one of my other channels, that I can speak to you clearly, all right? Okay, guys, that's it. That's the ring light. Let me show you the front. So there you go. That's daylight. That's tungsten. That's a mix between daylight and tungsten. And back to daylight, and then you can turn it down a little bit, or you can turn it all the way up a little bit. So it works like it claims to. Fairly simple design. All you do is shoot your camera through the lamp or through the ring light. And that's it. So I'll have a link down below if you want one of these. But I do recommend buying a tripod specifically for this because their tripod is crap. All right? Love you guys. Take care. Talk to you later, Tech Nation.